Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today and we are going to talk about how can we change phone sleep time in our Redmi phone. Friends, you want to change your phone sleep time in your Redmi phone. So how can you change today? I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video, can first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we change phone sleep time in our Redmi phone guys. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it, and guys you can see guys your lock screen setting guys, tap here. As you can see your lock screen setting guys, the sleep setting guys, tap here. As you can change from here your phone sleep time. For example guys, we will change into 15 seconds. And guys, how can we use this phone sleep time setting guys? We don't touch and guys click anywhere in your screen and guys wait for 15 seconds only. Then guys you can check, you can see guys your phone will sleep in 15 after 15 seconds guys, you can see. And when before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends. So like that guys, you can change your phone sleep time. So that's it guys.